What's up, guys? Welcome back to another complete PC build. In this video, I will walk you through this crazy, all-white, 1440p and 4K PC build. This all-white PC build is for incredible performance and, more importantly, longevity. By combining a certified gaming legend, the Ryzen 77800X3D, with the raw power of the brand new RTX 5070, we're creating a future-proof beast that will demolish anything you throw at it for years to come. Now let's start with the parts used in this build. Let's start with the CPU I use for this build, the Ryzen 77800X3D, which features an impressive 8-core processor running at a speed of 4.2 GHz. The AMD Ryzen 77800X3D is a state-of-the-art 8-core, 16-thread desktop processor, Zen 4, socket AM5, with a base clock of 4.2 GHz and the ability to boost up to 5.0 GHz. It is widely recognized as a top-tier gaming CPU that boasts an impressive 96 MB of L33DV cache, making it ideal for high-performance gaming and multitasking. With a thermal design power, TDP, of 120 watts, it features integrated Radeon graphics, standing out for its energy efficiency and remarkable performance across various applications. For storage, I opted for the Samsung 990 EVO Plus 2 TB. This high-speed DRAM-less internal NVMe SSD is designed to serve as a bridge between PCIe 4.0 and PCIe 5.0 systems. Released as an upgrade to the standard 990 EVO, it offers substantial performance improvements, achieving sequential read speeds of up to 7,250 megabytes per second and write speeds of 6,300 megabytes per second, which are essential for handling demanding applications and gaming environments. In terms of RAM, I chose the Corsair Vengeance RGB-DDR 532 GB, 2x16 GB, which consists of a high-performance desktop memory kit equipped with 10-zone, individually addressable RGB lighting. These kits are designed for modern systems and are available in a variety of speeds and latencies, optimized for Intel XMP 3.0 or AMD Expo profiles, ensuring enhanced performance tailored to specific needs in gaming and content creation. I needed a power supply for these components, so I chose the Thermaltake Tough Power GT Snow 850 watts. This power supply is a value-oriented, fully modular solution designed specifically for modern gaming builds that require a clean, white aesthetic. It is engineered to support the latest hardware standards, including ATX 3.1 and PCIe Gen 5.1, ensuring compatibility with the newest graphics cards and CPUs. For the cooling solution, I opted for the GameMax Iceberg 360 Digital White. This is a high-performance 360mm AIO, all-in-one, liquid cooler designed for high TDP processors. It features an integrated digital status display, which allows for easy monitoring of pump and fan speeds. Known for its premium aesthetics, such as an all-white design and stunning infinity mirror lighting, it delivers a striking appearance at a more accessible price point than many competitors. I hope you are enjoying this build as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Now let's get to the motherboard I picked, the Asus B650E Max Gaming Wi-Fi White. This board is a high-performance, white-themed ATX motherboard designed specifically for the AMD AM5 platform. It truly stands out by featuring a dedicated white PCB rather than just silver heatsinks on a black board, making it an excellent choice for those looking to create an all-white PC build that is both aesthetically pleasing and efficient. Let's discuss its key specifications in more detail. The motherboard comes equipped with an AMD AM5 socket, which supports Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors, ensuring robust compatibility with a range of powerful CPU options. In terms of expansion, it includes a PCIe 5.0 by 16 slot, perfect for deploying next-generation graphics cards, along with at least one PCIe 5.0 M.2 slot for ultra-fast storage solutions that can significantly enhance system performance. Memory-wise, the motherboard supports DDR5 RAM with impressive speeds of up to 8,000 megatransfers per second and beyond through AMD Expo technology. Connectivity options are comprehensive, featuring integrated Wi-Fi 6E for fast wireless internet, Bluetooth functionality for pairing devices, and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet for high-speed wired networks. The power design incorporates 8+2+1 power stages, ensuring stable power delivery, which is crucial for high core count CPUs. Overall, this motherboard offers a blend of functionality, performance, and striking design that caters to serious gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. Okay, now let's get to the main man here, the GPU. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12GB white version is an impressive addition to any gaming setup. Launched on March 4, 2025, as part of the Blackwell architecture series, it represents a significant leap forward in graphics performance. Several manufacturers offer specialized white edition models, specifically designed for minimalist or all-white PC builds, appealing to users who prioritize aesthetics alongside functionality. This graphics card showcases a sleek, purely white shroud coupled with a triple-fan axial tech cooling setup, ensuring efficient heat dissipation even during the most intense gaming sessions. Remarkably compact for its power, it is labeled as SFF-ready, small form factor, with a 2.5 slot design. The price of this GPU is roughly $699.99, which is quite competitive given its capabilities. For the final component, I opted for the GameMax Hype-A White USB 3.0 Mid-Tower ATX tempered glass computer case. This case embodies a mid-tower ATX design tailored for high-visibility fish tank builds, boasting panoramic tempered glass panels that offer an unobstructed view of the internal components. Its dual-chamber layout enhances airflow, crucial for cooling high-performance parts. The case is highly versatile, as it supports various motherboard sizes, including ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX. Additionally, it accommodates large graphics cards up to 400 mm in length, making it compatible with NVIDIA's 4000 series cards. It also supports air coolers up to 157 mm in height, providing ample space for cooling solutions. And there you have it, the ultimate future-proof PC setup for 2026. By pairing a proven gaming champion like the 7800X3D with a forward-thinking platform, you're setting yourself up for years of breathtaking gaming experiences without that constant worry of obsolescence.
Let us choke them with their own blood. Xenos toxins! Forming senses.
5 coders, ready to build more? Meet Base 44.
Need to reload.
major score. Way to go. Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Danger! Danger!
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the performance of this build. This PC is absolutely one of the best combinations you can assemble for various demanding tasks, whether you are a gamer, dedicated video editor, or someone involved in 3D rendering. It seamlessly handles intensive applications. If this build piqued your interest, you can find all the parts linked down in the description. Let me know in the comments, what's the one component you rely on for a future-proof build? If you found this guide helpful, hit that subscribe button for more builds just like this. Thank you for watching.